So many people are willing to join the Omspace and we are very happy about it.
We can join Omspace and how we can do the projects on technical, and we can also get the opportunities in the space industry. How we can join Omspace and how we can do the projects on technical, and we can also get the opportunities in the space industry.
Many people have the questions like this, like how they want to contribute in the space sector. So there are multiple ways you can join any aerospace company. The best way that you can think about is by having some hands-on experience, you can say, to work on any kind of project that is related to the domain. Because most of the time, then when we get a mentorship from your parents or from your teacher, they may have mentioned that you need to score good marks, you need to get good CGPA, but that is only one part. When we talk about the rocket, when we talk about the satellite, this marks is not enough. You have to do something extra. So how you can do something extra? By working on the project. There are only few companies that is giving the real-time industrial-based training. One of them is the Omspace Rocket and Exploration Private Limited. So we are also providing this kind of training. The idea is very simple, that we want you to get experience in the space sector, so that in the future when we need the manpower, we can directly hire from there. And as you all know that the India is also booming in the space sector, so there is a huge chance for you to get job in the space sector. Recently, in our budget, you have seen that 1,000 crore is assigned to the aerospace sector. So now government is giving the full support. So just imagine, if you even do a simple maths, you come to know that within 5 years there will be more than 1 million job that is available in the aerospace sector. So why don't you start to work on the project now, whether you are in the first year, second year, third year, fourth year. If you have more experience in the project, then definitely the industrialist is going to hire you to work in their industry. So many people are willing to join the Omspace and we are very happy about it. And we are also trying to help as much as people. We have multiple programs, as you all know that we have online program, we have offline program, and we always recommend everyone to come to Ahmedabad, Gujarat to get a hands-on experience. And currently we have more than 500 projects, and in the multiple domains like the structure, propulsion, avionic, astrodynamic, and all. So if you complete this kind of project, then the chances to join any of the aerospace industry will increase. There are two persons sitting in the interview, one having lots of experience in the space sector and one is having only the good marks in their academic. So which is going to be selected? Okay, obviously the person who is having more experience, because ultimately in the end the industry requires this skilled manpower. So I request anyone who is interested to join any aerospace company, they can do the internship or training in our firm. So actually all the project is related to the rocket, structure, propulsion, avionics, and you will get a direct experience on this core project. Either you are aerospace engineer, electrical engineer, or electronic engineer, or mechanical engineer, you can join Omspace. You can have your subdomain project, and you will get a mentor that is already experienced in multiple projects. So you have to just finish the project within the time limit. So we have a time limit of 1 month, 6 month, and 12 month. So you can join either for the 6 month or 12 month for the project, because it is sometimes very difficult to finish any project within 1 month. Okay. So I would like to welcome each and everyone who want to contribute to this aerospace sector. Join Omspace, so you will get an hands-on experience on the real-time industrial project on rocket